Welcome to Copper Moat, where we uncover the hidden value of copper and its power in investing, technology, and beyond. From stacking 95% copper pennies to comparing metals with gold, silver, and even digital assets, we help you protect and grow your wealth. If you're ready to discover why copper is the most underrated investment, hit that subscribe button and join the Copper Moat revolution. In today's video, we're comparing copper pennies to Bitcoin in 2009. Do these overlooked coins hold hidden wealth potential that rivals the rise of cryptocurrency? Let's dive in. Imagine it's 2009. Bitcoin had just launched and most people ignored it. You have $100 to invest. If you had bought Bitcoin in October 2009, you could have picked up over 10,000 BTC at just 1 cent per coin. Fast forward to December 2024, when Bitcoin hit an all-time high of $103,000 per BTC. That $100 investment would now be worth over $1 billion. But what if instead of Bitcoin, you stacked pre-1982 copper pennies? Could this forgotten metal have a similar wealth building opportunity? Most people think pennies are just spare change, but pre-1982 pennies contained 95% copper, making them more valuable than their face value. Here's why. A single copper penny weighs 3.11 grams, meaning it contains 2.95 grams of pure copper. If you had $100 in face value, which is 10,000 pennies, you'd be holding 31 pounds of copper. At today's copper price of $4.71 per pound, your stack is worth about $146 in raw copper. That's already a 46% increase over face value. And we haven't even factored in copper's future price potential. Limited supply, rising production costs, and surging industrial demand all point to copper's potential as a wealth building asset. Just like Bitcoin has a fixed supply of 21 million coins, pre-1982 copper pennies are no longer made. In fact, the US government is considering stopping penny production altogether because it now costs 2.72 cents to make a single penny. At the same time, copper demand is surging. Copper is essential for electric vehicles, renewable energy, and high-tech devices. Countries like China and the US are stockpiling copper for future supply shortages. Some experts predict copper prices could hit $10 to $15 per pound in the next decade. If copper ever reaches the US debt clock methodology price of $29.76 per pound, your $100 copper penny stack will be worth over $925, a 925% gain just for holding pennies. Think about early Bitcoin mining. Back then, you could get Bitcoin for free just by using your computer. Right now, you can still get copper pennies for face value of 1 cent each. But just like Bitcoin, once the supply dries up, these pennies will become harder to find. Once Bitcoin became valuable, mining became expensive and competitive. The same will happen with copper pennies. As more people realize their value, the days of getting them cheap will be gone forever. So, stacking copper today is like mining Bitcoin back then before the rest of the world catches on. Bitcoin was once dismissed as worthless internet money. Now it's $1 trillion asset. What if copper follows a similar trajectory? Tech companies, EV manufacturers, and power grids are pushing copper demand through the roof. Shortages are expected as mines struggle to keep up. If copper explodes in price, the best positioned investors will be those who stack early, just like Bitcoin in 2009. So the question is, will you wait until it's too late, or will you start stacking today? That's it for today's deep dive into the world of copper. At Copper Moat, we explore everything from stacking 95% copper pennies to comparing copper versus gold, silver, and even digital assets. We break down how copper fuels technology, healthcare, and its hidden wealth potential. If you found this video valuable, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new upload. And remember, in a world of changing currencies and markets, copper remains a timeless asset. Stay sharp, stack smart, and protect your wealth. Because here at Copper Mode, fortune favors the well-prepared.